Hello everyone, welcome back to Regular Toy Reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at not a actual toy, well, I guess yes a toy, but more of the service of what you get when you select collector grade when you buy something at the Big Bad Toy Store. And I really hope I get this in one take because I can only open this box once. So if I mess up, I mess up. So let's hope I don't. So first we're going to start by taking this out of the way. Grabbing something to open a box with. And also, before I open this, take a guess down below and let me know what you think it's in here. Don't cheat because I won't know, but you'll probably feel bad or something. I don't know. And well, here we have it. Oh, don't look at that. So that was it for the first layer. Now we're going to take a look at the second one, and we got to be extra careful with this one because the product is in here. So I'm going to be super careful.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Patrick, the lid's already off.
Oh, now it's my turn.
I'm thinking I should do this one too, Patrick.
Alright, did it as careful as I could since you don't really want to damage this. Because I did pay like 10 bucks extra over sticker price for this. Whoa. Let me be super gentle with this. Be strong enough to be gentle. Well, here we have it. Whoa. I'll make sure to get some B-roll for y'all here in a bit. But looking around, looks pretty mint to me. We're going to compare it to the box of the first one that I got. So that way we get a little comparison of what happens when you get the regular. Not that I bought it from Big Bad Toy Store, but we can compare it, to what you get when it just ships on its own with no extra protection and all the good stuff. Damn. And well, here it is. So this one's gonna go right back into that box once I finish with this video, because I want to keep this as pristine as possible for the future. As I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I think that this is practically redefining what Optimus Prime is as a toy. So as it's, it's just a really good figure. Honestly, if you don't have this right now, I would suggest getting at least a regular copy of it. You can still get it at the Big Bad Toy Store for retail, I guess, plus the $4 shipping. That pesky $4 shipping. And I don't think you should put it off, in my opinion, as honestly you saw what happened with Ultra Magnus, and unfortunately I didn't start collecting Transformers until after he was already really rare to get. He was practically off the shelves already. So hopefully they do a reissue in the future, but for now I'm just kind of glad I got myself one that I could open and one that I could just save up for later. Yeah, I'll zoom in. Like I said before, I'll get some B-roll for you guys of the corners and just the package overall, and compare it to the one I received from Amazon. I got lucky and I managed to get this early somehow, but it was just just regular shipping, and it was honestly not even protected inside the bigger box. As you can see right here, this corner got dented in, and a lot of the corners right here are like scratched up pretty bad. And I mean, I'm gonna keep this box just because, but yeah, this one is honestly worth it in my opinion. For those who really care about keeping it mint for the future. Unfortunately, there's no really real way to know if this has the heels backwards. So I just wanted to keep it nice and short, kind of get to the point. So that way, hopefully you can make an informed decision about whether you care about the box or not. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. If y'all enjoy the content, don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Whether you're going to get this guy or not. Do you think it's worth it to get the collector's grade or just standard grade or whatever below? Or if you even just plan on getting this 86 Optimus Prime in general. Also, let me know if you want to see a review on them. Or maybe just this one because I'm not taking that one out. But also be on the lookout for my next video review. And it's going to be on the Nemesis Prime that we got for Rise of the Beast, alongside the knockoff we got from Bayway. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.